Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this Meteoroid Grey 1.5 self-charging hybrid HRV. Now, as you can probably tell, you do get LED daytime running lights as well as LED headlights and LED fog lights. You also get 4 front parking sensors as standard on this car. You then also get these gloss black 18-inch with a diamond cut face alloys as well, all of which are in perfect condition. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can see what design pattern you do actually get on this car. So with it being a 71 plate, it is a late 21, early 22. This is one of the earlier cars that were actually produced from Honda. You do get 4 rear parking sensors. You get a reversing camera up at the top just there as well. You then get plenty of room in the tailgate, as you can see just here. The previous owner has had these protective metal garnishes put on the plastics just to make them keep them protected. You get 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with the boot floor. You then have your electric tailgate options just here. So if you press this one when the car is not running, it will illuminate green. So as soon as you walk out of a certain radius, it will automatically drop the boot. Alternatively, you can just press this button just here and the tailgate will automatically drop like so. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got your part cloth, part leather, all in black. You've then got Isofix mounting points down at the bottom with full electric automatic windows all round. You've then got full keyless entry and full keyless start. Jumping inside the car, you've got your electric brake hold and your electric handbrake. You then got your hill descent, and then we have also got your drive mode just here, which comes with Econ, Normal and Sport. You've then got an eCVT gearbox just here in the middle with your dual climate control and 2 front heated seats just there. You then got a 10-inch display in the middle, which comes with your satellite navigation. Also comes with your various audio sources just there, Bluetooth hands-free, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Over to the steering wheel now, we've got your volume controls, voice assistant, track select and onboard computer controls. We've then got cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side with your lane keep assist and distance control. We've then also just below got your heated steering wheel. We've got full automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this car has only done 4,392 miles. Jumping back outside now though, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this HRV, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.